observations for this session, I would like to invite Ms. Nidhi Khare. Ms. Nidhi Khare, an IAS officer, is the Additional Secretary, Consumer Affairs, Department of Consumer Affairs under the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. And also been assigned the charge of Chief Commissioner for the Central Consumer Protection Authority. Over to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, colleagues and colleagues who have joined from the virtual media. On the eve of World Consumer Rights Day, I extend greetings from the Department of Consumer Affairs. 15th March is the World Consumer Rights Day, and from the department we have taken every step to not only celebrate the right of consumers, but also to make sure that whatever products are being sold to them, they have a guarantee of quality and quality. On my concluding remarks, I would like to thank Mr. Warren Merkel, Vice President Policy, ANAB, who has made a very extensive presentation as to what TBT norms are all about and how it is functioning in USA. Sanjeev from DPIIT has, since we have met on several such occasions for QCOs, we all understand how quality consciousness is the primary target of our Honorable Minister also, and BIS is making every effort to support drawing up technical regulations, vetting these orders, and trying to also participate in all the stakeholders meetings so as to know what is the preparedness. We have from the data from India, and as Mr. Prajen Navneet also said, for a country of our size and the diversity that we have and the kind of products that we manufacture and produce, to not have reasonable quality is something which is kind of denying consumer rights at the very least. I would only like to say that while in 2000 our quality control orders were merely 53, which rose to about 461 as of now. But we plan to actually take it up forward and at least reach a mark of say 2000 quality control orders, because this is the need and the demand from a very soaring, aspiring nation, which does not want to now distinguish between the export quality and the quality or the substandard, duplicate, counterfeit products for the domestic people. So somewhere this has to be seen from the rights perspective also, and I congratulate DPIIT in actually taking this forward, wherein they are in a position of actually notifying say about 58 QCOs for 315 products. Department of Textiles has also, my friend Rajiv has emphasized how it is important, particularly in cases where these are of technical textiles, where quality just cannot fail. And in such cases of say bulletproof jacket and high altitude clothing, in cases of medical textiles again, there has to be a quality which has to be promised to the consumers. And I see that since jute is largely produced in India, we have to have be setting certain standards for its product. And I'm very happy to note that we are in the process of actually bringing about 5 QCOs pertaining to 60 products. Then there are also other QCOs with regards to mines and Department of Chemical and Petrochemical, which are also in progress. And I think when the call is for zero defect, zero effect across the government, all the departments are virtually working very hard to ensure certain quality parameter, at least the safety parameters to be met. And I think when Mr. Navneet also pointed out that developed economies have come through quality only, India cannot be far behind, and I take this this opportunity to thank everybody for holding this session, making us aware about the nuances, about the requirements of ensuring that we are on the safe side of the WTO, and we can also assure quality and quantity guarantee to our consumers. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Hello. Thank you so much, ma'am, for shedding the light from another end as well. And I would like to thank all the other speakers as well